Absolutely fine, sir. Sir, you are associated with this institute since how many years?
Approximately 10 years.
10 years. So, sir, what is your overall experience with this institution?
Let me first, before I talk about the institute, pharma is one of the part of your institute. Today, pharmaceutical industry is growing very fast and it's changing very fast. Your institute, I think, is playing a very important role in educating the students. And my experience has been your students are bright. Your students basically are going at a various good places. And I think you are contributing a lot to these students. And your syllabus, your education pattern is in such a way, thereby they find it easy to get a placement in pharmaceutical companies.
Now, sir, as on date, our students are getting absorbed in the verticals like sales, marketing, then analytics also, KP also of late it is booming up. So, sir, how you feel that these opportunities are going to evolve further? Whether they will be there or some new dimensions will be added as far as the employment sectors are concerned?
Let me first tell you, this sales and marketing is going to remain. So long the industry is there, without sales and marketing, nothing is going to happen. So sales and marketing, product management, sales, marketing, they are the fundamentals. Today, the research and development is emerging very fast. Market is changing, market is turning towards the biologics. If you really look at small molecules, research and development is trying. Newer and newer molecules and biologics are coming. My recommendation to the institute would be, if you can train your people on a biologics, you train your people on what is the latest happening in the global market, because the world has become kind of a village. We don't focus only in India. We have to focus globally. If you want to focus globally, we have to train our students in a way that they understand how the global pharma market is emerging and changing quickly.
So we to say, sir, that in due course of time, the world which the people are talking about is going to become a small village. So in pharmaceutical also, it is going to, going to happen?
It has already happened basically. World is already, after the globalization, is a small village, right? It is in pharma, it has already happened. You see that today, if you talk about the pharmaceuticals, if you talk about multinational companies, now the companies are basically being acquired by the large companies. So number of companies are reducing. The bigger companies are becoming much bigger. These multinational companies are present all over the world. So pharma is already a kind of a small village.
Sales and marketing are going to remain the same, sir, but apart from this, what are the other areas for the students you would like to recommend that they can choose as a career option?
See, today, retail industries, retail in pharmaceuticals is becoming very brilliant. Now, if you talk about America, you have McKinsey's, you got a Walmart, you got Walgreens, you got a CVS. These are so huge retail and distribution outlets. Their turnover is in billions of dollars, right? Now, managing these retail outlets, this itself is a huge business. Even in India, we had an independent pharmacies. Today, what is happening in India, Apollo pharmacies, their pharmacy is coming as a big pharmacy chain. So this is becoming an emerging area. So this is one, retail and logistics is becoming very, very important in pharmaceutical industry.
So pharmacy retail chain is going to emerge?
Yes, absolutely. It is already emerged. In India, it's not that big, but in the global market, even in a time to come, even the global pharmacy chain might come to India. So it's becoming very important.
And so what are the other changes which you are expecting in sales and marketing portfolios?
See, today what in India, traditionally our medical rep goes to a doctor and retail product. This itself is changing a lot, right? Now, it is becoming kind of a knowledge-oriented industry. It is already a knowledge-oriented industry. When more biologic product comes. Today, in our country, when medical rep goes to a doctor, perhaps he is not really knowledgeable. So I think a time has changed where we need a people highly knowledgeable market is changing from small molecules to biologics. Biologics is a very huge field, right? In order to promote biologics, basically you need a very talented people. So I think training and development and good talent is very, very important.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Thank you very much.